Hey guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Today's video is about my holiday curl care routine. So without wasting any further time, let's just get started. The final week of December is finally here and so many events are lined up. The holiday season is upon us and things are finally looking merrier. I decided I want to style my hair for the upcoming festivities right away so that I don't have to do it throughout the week. So today I'm going to show you how you can style your curls to make them last long and also stay in shape throughout the week. I'm going to be using my favorite range from Curlvana to style my hair for the upcoming festivities. I'm going to attach a video right here. You can click on that if you haven't seen my introduction video on Curlvana to get to know more about the brand. I'm also going to share some tips on how you can make your curls last long, so stay tuned till the end for that. So when you're looking at back-to-back parties such as in this current week, you want your curls to last long and stay defined. I wanted to double cleanse my scalp, which is why I decided to use the Smile Cleanser from Curlvana. Double cleansing helps strip away all the excess product buildup on your scalp and leaves your scalp feeling fresh and clean after. This cleanser from Curlvana is the perfect product for that. It is so gentle and mild and does the job really well. Let's start off with application. I'm going to take a generous amount of the Curlvana Fortifying Curl Cleanse on my shampoo brush and cleanse my scalp. Then I'm going to double cleanse again with my fingers. The Curlvana Fortifying Curl Cleanse shampoo doesn't strip away natural oils, doesn't weigh down curls, it's protein rich with fortifying actives, color safe and also prevents breakage. It also has some wonderful ingredients such as Jamaican black castor oil, fermented rice water extract, plant protein, shea butter and pentavitamin. If you have curly hair, I highly recommend you to check out this cleanser. Moving on, we are going to use some hair mask to ensure all that nourishment is locked into my hair for the next few days. I want my curls to be hydrated, voluminous and bouncy during the coming week. Curlvana also has a conditioner that I do use on a daily basis, but today we are going to be using their hair mask. The Curlvana Deep-Nourish Double Cream Hair Mask is an essential in my weekly curl care routine. I absolutely love using this hair mask because it is so hydrating and nourishing for my curls. This hair mask restores the curl structure and deeply hydrates every strand. It helps make curls healthy, juicy and glossy. This hair mask gives you smooth defined ringlets, making your curls look voluminous, bouncy and shiny. The Curlvana Deep-Nourish Double Cream Hair Mask has some amazing ingredients such as Jamaican black castor, fermented rice water extract, hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. I'm going to apply a generous amount of this hair mask. I absolutely love the texture. It is so smooth. I apply this hair mask from the mid-lengths to ends of my hair and I leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. Today we are going to leave it on for 30 minutes because we need all the extra hydration we can get. After leaving on the mask for 30 minutes and washing it off, I move on to styling my curls. I'm going to use two of my favorite styling products from Curlvana. I'm going to use their leave-in cream and hair gel as well. I love using the Curlvana Moisture Lock Curl Styling Leave-in Cream because it does not leave a residue on my curls and also gives them a soft hold. Fun fact guys, it's also a no build-up leave-in cream. I love that this leave-in cream eases frizz and provides a soft hold to my curls. It also has no cast and does not leave a crunchy residue on your curls. This leave-in cream deeply moisturizes your curls and the hydration is long-lasting as well. It also has some wonderful ingredients such as Jamaican black castor oil, fermented rice water extract, geranium and coffee. This leave-in cream has a wonderful creamy smooth whipped texture and I take a generous amount and apply it to my damp hair in a scrunching motion to sculpt my curls. Let's get started with styling. I'm going to use the Curlvana leave-in cream. I'm going to take a generous amount and scrunch it into my curls. After applying leave-in cream, since we want some extra hold this week, it's best to add some styling gel as well. I'm going to use my favorite Curlvana Curl Defining Styling Gel to make sure my curls have that extra hold and look gorgeous throughout the week. The Curlvana Curl Defining Styling Gel does not weigh down your curls and leaves them silky smooth. This styling gel is also a no build-up product and leaves your curls intensely moisturized. It does have a little bit of cast just like any other hair gel, so I highly recommend you guys to scrunch out that crunch to make your curls look voluminous and bouncy. The Curlvana Curl Defining Styling Gel has some amazing ingredients such as flaxseed, coffee, geranium, hyaluronic acid and mint. I'm going to take a small amount of this styling gel and apply it in a scrunching motion section by section. I absolutely love how my hair looks once it's dry on day one. I apply this gel for a light, defined yet voluminous look. Curlvana always gives me long-lasting curls. I absolutely love how my hair is looking, and I'm also going to show you how it looks on the 4th day. This gel makes my curls last so long. I also love that all the products from Curlvana are glycerin-free. So these are my day 4 curls. I love how the definition is still intact and I'm ready for New Year's Eve. These products work so well in every weather and also ensure your curls are frizz-free. Now that we are done with the routine, I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks to make sure your curls look great throughout the week. Tip number 1 is to use styling gel to ensure your curls last longer and stay defined throughout the week. Tip number 2 is to use a silk or satin pillowcase to prevent your curls from drying out. You can also use a silk or satin hair wrap or scarf to tie up your hair before you go to bed. Tip number 3. I'm going to share with you guys how you can revive your curls on day 4. Go in with a little bit of product on your damp hair. I recommend using a leave-in cream and skipping the gel. Once you do this, your curls will have their definition back. Curlvana's products are CG friendly, ethically sourced, cruelty-free and vegan. If you're looking for some go-to products for your curls that you can use on a regular basis, I highly recommend you guys to check out this range. It's wonderful, it's affordable, it's my favorite. I also wanted to let you guys know that you can now use my coupon code SANIKA for 20% off your purchase on the entire Curlvana range. If you're interested in checking out these products, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks again for hanging out with me. I love you so much and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.